Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram story last 60 seconds. It can be frustrating if in 15 seconds you can't share everything that you want, and if you need a little bit more time, watch this video until the very end. Let's open the Instagram app, and swipe left to open our Instagram camera. Now let's find a video that's longer than 15 seconds. Now this video is almost 60 seconds, but Instagram will split it up into 4 different stories. Currently Instagram is trying out some methods where you can upload a longer story, but currently it is limited to 15 seconds and it will always split your story. You can add the story this way, and people will be able to scroll through those stories without a problem. But what I recommend if you have something longer than that is to switch to a post or a reel. Reels are a great option to have a longer video on Instagram. You can see that if we click on this button here, we can choose different length of our Instagram reels. We can choose a 60-second one, and we can go all the way up to 90-second reels. So I suggest that you share longer form content with reels. These are made with longer content in mind. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.